Hello, hello, welcome to another vlog from the Indiana State Fair. It's summertime in Indiana. We haven't been yet this year. We haven't been actually in a while. We're hoping to maybe ride some rides, eat some good food. There is some fun stuff for the kids to do. A lot of learning about nature and farming. There's a wolf show that I know Marin's gonna love. Hopefully we can catch that. So we're gonna check it all out. So stick around and make sure you hit like and subscribe, follow along for more Indiana content, more family travels. And yeah, let's check out the State Fair. Let's go. Put your arms up. Two arms. Two arms.
I didn't know that.
All right, we're checking out the Purdue Extension building. I don't know what's here. I don't have a map. I don't have very good information. There's a lot of information on your phone though. You can pull up the website and check out what's going on in here. Let's find out. This is nice. In the Purdue Extension building, they have this lactation station if you need to pump while you're here or breastfeed. Okay, here we go. Ooh, there's a slush factory. And here's where you get on the tram, if you even could.
You need a drink from the slush factory?
First snack of the day, the
Go.
slush factory. We
What
can do
flavor
it.
do you want? You want this red here? This is cherry, this is strawberry. Which one? Cherry?
What do you want, buddy? Pina colada?
Okay, no.
Look,
This
they're
is
gonna go back to
raspberry
their
and
hive
that's
and make
raspberry.
cherry flavored honey.
That's enough.
And orange. All right, let's try it. Oh, little bees. Watch out,
go.
please.
All
Pina
these, this is
colada.
all these.
Oh, that was bad. Let's see. Mm-hmm. You're gonna have to drink it fast. It's gonna melt. All right, let's keep going.
All right.
All right, this is an example. One of the vendors here. A lot of kind of hippie stuff. Blankets and parachute pants.
That mannequin's having a
I like-
wardrobe malfunction.
I like all of this stuff though. I would wear this stuff all the time. It's my vibe. I like these. There's an information booth over here. I'm going to check it out and see if they maybe have a map. But maybe not. I'm not sure. Just information. I think this is the very northern edge of the fairgrounds. I got a map. So that's good. If you go to the information booth, there's one here right at the north end of the fairgrounds. It's bus stop 7. We will have a map, and that will be very helpful. It has all the show times, it has all the schedules. Grab yourself a map. The maps are specific to the day, so every map is different. So make sure you get an updated map each day you come. 4 o'clock is the...
Is the wolf show?
Yeah. We're moving our way around the north end of the fairgrounds. It's like a big track with infield parking, and we're gonna find some food. We're gonna check out some of the, it says a livestock birthing experience. There is something called the Pioneer Village, which shows like how people did farming in the olden days. We're gonna check that out. First up,
Pioneer Village.
we're gonna check out the glass barn. Apparently. Welcome to the glass barn. Please leave all food and drink outside. Let's see if they actually enforce
Well,
that.
she has a lemonade. I think we're all right.
All right, welcome to the glass barn. Let's see what they do inside.
Welcome.
Big giant tractor inside the glass barn. Whatever that means. Glass barn? Like it's made of glass? It has glass walls? I don't know. Oh, you can go inside. Take a look inside the combine. Lots of education. You look at that, see that big drone up there?
Oh, wow.
For like, I don't know exactly what, determining if your farm is doing right. Needs any fertilizer or water. So the glass barn seems to have nothing to do with glass other than it's not like a traditional barn. It's air conditioned and indoors. So, oh, we got some bubbles. Bubble area. The glass barn is all about soybeans and soy farming. This says livestock birthing experience, so we'll see what that's all about. Oh, look, there's little babies down there. They were born 7/27. More mama pig. Do you see him? It's a goat.
I want to pet a goat.
You gotta wash your hands. It's okay. Look,
Baby bunnies.
There's some eggies. Gonna hatch. If you're thinking of incubating your own eggs, here's how long different eggs take. A turkey takes 28 days. A quail takes 17 days. A duck takes 28, and a chicken takes 21. All right, we're gonna check out this Indiana State Department of Agriculture brick art experience in the Norman barn. I can't read the whole thing. So let's go see what they're doing with Legos. Lots of Lego displays.
That's what I thought too.
All Legos. World. Seek and find. So there's a model you can find. It's like a little Where's Waldo. There is an event that comes to the fairgrounds in the winter, or no, it's at the beginning of the summer, that is Brick World, and they bring all these Lego bricks for people to play with. Okay, so we're here on a Sunday, and so it's very crowded. So the Brick World barn was cool. There were lots of cool models, and there was a section for the kids to play with Legos, but it was crowded and full of kids. So we're moving on to the next building. I think we're heading to the Pioneer Village and like the blacksmith and all that kind of stuff. So let's check that out.
What does it say on the
Thank
front?
goodness for clouds. It doesn't say anything. It says this is from 1949. Now, how would you like to drive that thing for acres and acres? Plowing your field. Oh, butterfly. Oh, he got you. Ooh, you're lucky. Well, that's interesting.
There's something on.
He's a he's just, she, he, who knows?
What is that thing?
What is what
on
thing?
me?
It has eggs.
That's its tongue. He thinks you're a flower and he's trying to get nectar out of you. It's not going to sting you. He thinks you're a flower. Maybe you taste sweet from your sticky drink.
So I can.
Look at a sweet little flower.
Maren, come here, put your finger right next to mine. You don't want it? Oh, I thought you did. Sorry, I took it from you. Maren, are you a farming girl? Woohoo!
Old-timey farmer Marin.
It wouldn't be a Midwest State Fair without a bunch of tractors and old-timey cars and farming implements. This is a 1929 Ford Model AA. Honk honk! Oh, look, they won some ribbons back in the day. You remember learning about the covered wagons in 3rd grade? It's a lot smaller than they make it out in his textbooks. It's more for carrying your things. Just sitting here on the back of a tractor, just hanging out, letting the kids run around. All right, Pioneer Farm Building. Let's go this way, guys. They're doing some music, live music.
talked of being but then we met, she had one. And she talked of till she walked up, and another side, Carolina in the
Sewing and quilting. You found the knives.
They're made out of obsidian.
Wow.
This one's so
Oh,
cool.
wow. Be very careful. Do you see how much that is? $100. If you break it, you buy it. Look at him. See what he's doing? He's making it right there.
Green Goblin's knife.
Yep. Look at this. Look at all their butterflies and
How you doing?
cicadas. Hi, good. How are you?
I'm doing kind of average.
Kind of average. Oh, look
Who's
at his
this
bow
guy?
tie.
Who's this guy?
What's your name?
Lincoln.
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 Lincoln. So are you interested in entomology and bugs?
A little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Well, in which case, I got a job for you.
Yeah.
Yeah. You see this gal here? Yeah. She had a friend, and the friend seems to be walking around out here.
Uh-oh.
So as you're walking around, would you keep your eye open and don't step on her friend? Because she brought her friend to the fair, and now she can't find her. Yeah. So if you see her friend, pick her up and bring her back. Will you do that?
Cockroach.
Yeah.
A hissing. Is it one of those
It's a hissing
ones?
cockroach.
Yeah. The farm kitchen. Old time farm kitchen. Examples of the word. Oh, fan. Looks like you can go through. You want to go in the log cabin?
Yeah.
1822. The Johnson Cabin,
Oh, Lord.
a replica of the first cabin built on this land.
That thing's mad at me.
Oh yeah.
Oh, God, that's creepy.
Yeah, well, would you want to live like this? Live in here? This could be your room.
That's a creepy doll.
Wow. But this is how people lived.
Aww.
Don't ever complain about your house after having see where other kids live. This is cool. Look at him. Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
That's so cool.
He's doing that by hand. Do you know what that is? What that looks like? Indiana. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Wow. That's what you use? That's it. Pioneer Village is cool, very educational, very hot, unfortunately. And it is just sensory overload here. It's like there's always something happening. There's live music, there's food, there's smells. So these are what that machine makes.
Fisher, the Sounds of Summer,
Stitcher,
Steve Engine,
medallion.
guitar, banjo, music, notes.
Wow. This whole area is like the Pioneer Village area. Like it's not just one building. It's everything old and historic in this northeast corner of the fairgrounds. Very cool. Very educational for the kids. And Daddy and kids are getting some corn. Some good old Indiana sweet corn. How is your corn, guys?
Awesome.
Yummy. Corn Barney?
Very good.
We're headed for this because Marin and her wolf addiction. We're gonna check it out if we can find it.
Please say hello to Phoenix. Yes. Phoenix is 4 years old and he's the lone wolf. Now when we got our first group of cubs some time ago, our alpha female wanted nothing to do with them. She hadn't given birth to them, so for her they weren't part of the pack. We recently received 2 Arctic wolf cubs. They're 7 months old, and guess who adopted them out of this group? Phoenix, that's right, Phoenix adopted them. Would you like to meet those babies? All right, I'm gonna send them out. And there they are, 7-month-old Arctic wolf cubs, yes. Come on guys, this is Bella, and this one here is Rita. And they're really, go ahead, jump over there, come on. Watch out, everybody. A little jumping here. Come here, here. There you go. Oops. Yes. Well, what do you think of these guys? Aren't they beautiful? Huh? Yes, they're beautiful little girls. And Phoenix, you're doing a great job with them there. I'm going to help you. It's a little bumpy here. Go ahead. Come on. Good job. Come on. You got it. Up. Come up. Come up on top. Come up on top. All right, that's far enough. Good job. Take it back the other way. He likes to go this way. Good job. Let's hear it for Timber. Good job, Timber.
This is some sort of, it's a leg trap.
Yeah.
This is a buffalo horn.
Yeah. All the stuff they probably found like in Yellowstone. At the end, they're letting us in the whole arena, and we're gonna go inside. We're gonna go see the wolves like in their crates. All right, we're heading inside. Ooh.
They eventually all turn gray.
We got sleepy wolves.
Hi, wolf.
Alright, there's a wolf hiding behind the fan. Getting some air. Eastern timber wolf. This is inside the wolf caravan.
Do you have any questions for her? About wolves? Yeah, she thinks she's been raised by wolves. So.
Mary, turn around. Want to get a picture?
Yeah.
I don't know if I can get them. These are the young ones. Yeah. Arctic wolves. Well, that was fun. That was actually pretty well attended. We got here a little bit too late and couldn't find a seat. So hopefully you saw a little bit of that and you got to walk through their cage. So that was different and cool. But yeah, check out the wolves. It's way back here in the corner. But maybe they'll move them up next year. The heat has gotten to us. We're getting a little bit wet and splashed to the splash pad. There is a splash pad, so just so you know that. Back here near the northwest corner where the kids' fun area is, there's a splash pad. All right, so if you can't tell, it is very hot. The heat is getting to me, maybe not everybody else, but I think we are gonna call it a day. We've been here about 3.5 hours, so we crammed it as much as we could. It's almost like 95 degrees out. It feels like more than that. It's very hot. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video at the Indiana State Fair. Hope you got a little bit of a picture of what you could do. A lot of the kiddie areas we got to check out. So thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.